Have you ever stopped to ponder just how crucial automotive sensors and transducers are in your daily life? They're the unsung heroes, tirelessly working behind the scenes to ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle. The world of automotive sensors and transducers is vast and diverse, each type boasting unique features and uses. Let's delve into some of the most common ones. Firstly, we have motion sensors. These gems are the eyes and ears of your vehicle. They detect any movement around your car, alerting you to potential hazards. They're also the linchpin in anti-theft systems, sounding the alarm if they detect any unwanted movement. Then there are torque sensors. These are the powerhouses, measuring the torque in the drive shaft and relaying that data to the car's computer. This allows the system to adjust the vehicle's power to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. Also worth mentioning are force sensors. These are the heavy lifters of the sensor world. They monitor the force exerted by the car's components, like the brakes and the engine. This information is critical for maintaining the vehicle's safety and performance standards. Tactile sensors, on the other hand, are the touchy-feely types. They are used to sense the physical parameters like pressure, force, and vibration. These sensors are integral to systems like airbag deployment and tire pressure monitoring. So it's clear that each type of sensor and transducer has a unique role to play. But what's truly fascinating is how they all work together, forming a complex network that keeps your vehicle running smoothly. To summarize, motion sensors act as the eyes and ears of your vehicle, detecting movement and potential hazards. Torque sensors measure the power in the drive shaft and adjust the vehicle's performance accordingly. Force sensors monitor the exertion of the car's components to maintain safety and performance standards. And tactile sensors sense physical parameters like pressure and vibration, playing a vital role in safety systems like airbag deployment and tire pressure monitoring. So next time you hop in your car and head out on the open road, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of sensors and transducers working in harmony to get you safely to your destination. It's a testament to the marvels of modern automotive technology. Remember, these are just a few of the many types of sensors and transducers found in today's vehicles. Each plays a vital role in the operation of your car, contributing to its performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. So, the next time you're behind the wheel, spare a thought for these unsung heroes. They're working tirelessly to make your journey as smooth and safe as possible.